Hi everyone, my name is Nathaniel Owie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade keychain. So what you're going to need is one ring, a piece of string, and your beads. We're going to give all of this to you guys in a little packet. So first, what you want to do is you get one end of your string, and then you tie it. To do that, make a little X like this, and then you tie a little knot like that. And then you do this one more time, so the beads don't fall out later. And then it should look like this. So after that, what you want to do is grab your beads. First, get all the shape beads and put them in. Put 4 shape beads first. So like heart, star, butterfly, and maybe another butterfly. Just put it in any order you want. After that, what you want to do is put your initials. So like my initials are NO. So what I'm going to do is put the letter N first, and then the letter O. After that, you get the rest of your beads and put them in any order you want. See, like that. After you're done putting all the beads, you grab your ring and you put the string through the ring. Put it all the way up to here at the beginning of your beads. And what you do is you tie the string around the ring. So you make an X and then you put the string through it. And then you can do it one more time to make it more secure. Okay, and it should be tight like that. And then after that, you can get scissors to cut the end if you want to. Or you could keep it like this. It's up to you. And that is your new keychain. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.